Linguine with fresh tomatoes and garlic. There are times when I want to eat something fresh and tasty but don't have much time to cook. Have you ever been in such a situation too? If so, here's a recipe I'd like to share with you. Linguine with fresh tomatoes and garlic. Ingredients: 1 clove of garlic, 30 ml to 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil Balmorso, 150 grains cherry tomatoes, 100 grains spaghetti or linguine, freshly grated cheese, salt. Preparation: put to boil 1 liter of water for each 100 grains of pasta. Once the salted water is boiling, put the linguine. Meanwhile, cut the tomatoes in half. Get a pan, pour some olive oil and turn the heat to medium. Cook the garlic until golden, taking care not to burn it. Now add the tomatoes and a little bit of salt. Cook the tomatoes until they sweat. Check the pasta. It should be firm yet eatable. Drain it, but save some pasta water for the sauce. We want to finish cooking the pasta with the tomatoes. Add the pasta to the tomatoes. Mix well. Continue cooking for another 2 minutes. Serve it with your favorite cheese. I have used Cascio ricotta, a typical cheese from my region. Buon appetito!